No. God dang it. What's up, y'all? Welcome back. Today's brakes, we got everything. Rotors, lines, calipers, all of it. Let's just get into it because I am excited. Look at these cruddy rotors. Ugh. Rusted, cruddy, junk. There's the line right there. I'm gonna go ahead and spray these with PB Blast because I know they're gonna need it. And I'll let them soak while I'm finishing getting set up here. Okay, it's been about 15-20 minutes. Let's give it a shot and see if they'll come off. I don't know because it looks pretty cruddy, so let's give it a shot and see what happens. Okay, let's try that again. Let's give it another 10-15 minutes and we'll go from there. Okay, so it's off now, and now we're gonna grab some degreaser and some wire brushes and clean it up just a little bit. It's got some surface rust on there, some other little funky things, so we'll get that cleaned up and then we'll throw the new rotor on. Oh yeah, before I forget, if you're doing this, when you jack it up in the rear, do not forget to release the emergency brake, because if you do not, those rotors are not coming off. I'll show you why. So I'm not sure of the technical way to explain it, but this is the best way I know how. When the emergency brake is pulled, these shoes expand, and so it's holding the rotor and the car in place. And when it's dropped, they come in and you can slide the rotor off. I had to beat mine a bunch because of the rust and everything, but I could have beaten it all day long, but with the e-brake pulled, they would never come off. Okay, got that all cleaned. I had wiped out in there before, cleaned out and scrubbed in there before with the inner fender thing. I'll link it up top, but I didn't get behind the dust shield and all that stuff where the rotor was, so kind of gross in there still, but got it cleaned. So now let's grab a rotor and throw it on there and see how it looks. We're doing full StopTech stuff, rotors, lines. These I waited months on, but yeah. Oh, look at these. But first, a quick comparison, if there is one. We got shit, fantastic, shit, fantastic. Oh baby, that is hot. Okay, got that rotor on there. It looks so good. I'm having a lot of trouble with these lines. It's just so rusted on there. They've been sitting for 45 minutes in PB Blast, and they still won't move. I started to strip one, and I stopped, and so I hope I can get to the lines today. I may have to go get a line wrench because all I have is the normal wrench here, and they're easy to slide off and stuff like that. The line wrench goes almost all the way around, so I may have to do that. I don't know yet. I may try heat. I don't know yet. I haven't decided on that entirely. I don't want to wait around all day for these lines to unseize, so we'll let them sit a little bit longer. Let's just throw on the caliper and some other things, and we'll try it again later. All right, got some new hardware for the caliper. Let's get some anti-seize on these little fellas and get ready to throw them on. I do not want to have the same issues if I ever take them off again as I did last time. Oh my god, that looks so good. Ugh. Okay, I decided that I'm gonna run to the store real fast until I find some tools because the wrenches I have are just not gonna cut it. They're just wanting to strip too much, and I do not want to replace this whole brake line because of one stripped little nut. So I'm gonna go try to find some stuff, and then I will be back in a minute. Okay, we're back. I got some claw wrenches. See how it almost wraps around the whole nut so it won't strip off. If that doesn't start to work, then I got this little clamper guy. I thought I had some of these, but apparently I don't. So grab one of those too. Worst comes to worst, we're gonna use heat, and we'll go from there. Oh, no. God dang it. It's starting to move with that too. Oh man, I don't know what to do. We'll try this little clamp wrench, and after that we'll have to use heat. I don't know. Okay, that didn't work either. So I'm gonna try heat. I didn't want to do this because it's super close to the car body. I'll show you in a second, but I don't know what else to do, honestly. They've been soaking in PB Blast for 2.5 hours, and it's just not moving. So don't know what else to do aside from the heat, and we'll try that and see what happens. So I don't know if you can see it or not, but right there is what I'm trying to get off, and this little nut attaches the line, and this is attached to this line, and this is a hard line that runs through the whole car. And so if I strip this little nut, then I am fucked. So I'm gonna try to heat this. I didn't want to because it's so close to the body of the car, but I don't know what else to do. We'll see if it works. I mean, it's sizzling. Oh, look at that. Got it. Well, that really moved the project forward. I was super concerned about that. All right, let's get this line off and keep carrying on. Okay, so now we have that nut up and out of there. There's a little clip right there that you have to slide off. I'm gonna use some channel locks and see if I can just get it off of there. Oh, it's warm. Oh, Jesus. Okay. Oh, there we go. Got him. Would you guys look at the rust? Focus. Look at that. Luckily the kit comes with a new one. So now this line should just fall right out. So let me try to do that. I don't know how hot it is still, so I'm gonna try to take it easy. Booyah. All right, that's that. I'm not even gonna attempt the other side without heating it first. I'm just gonna torch that bitch and get it off of there and then move to the front of the car because these lines have been holding me up for hours. Keep the flame low, dial it back so it's not burning crazy hot. I mean, it's hot, but not a huge flame, so. She's still sizzling, but I'm gonna try it. Oh, look at that. Broke it right free. That's what I'm talking about. I really wish I hadn't been so cautious all day with that. I just really didn't want to because I thought it was going to be a lot more sketchy than it was. But that took me all of 2 minutes. And I've been waiting for 2 hours for those things to break free with the blaster. So heat it, get it off of there, and carry on. All right, we're going to go ahead and install the line now. I'm going to stick this in this mounting piece. And then I'm going to mount it to the caliper first. That way I have the shape and everything already there. So let's just do that real quick and then we can figure out this up here. You got banjo bolt, crush washer, brake line, crush washer, and then that goes to the brake caliper. Okay, now that's hand tight on the caliper. Now we can bend this how we need to. And it should fold right how it is designed. And boop, just like that. Made a nice little S around all this in here. And we should be good to go. And boom, just like that. Now let's move to the other side and do that and then get to the front. All right, as you can tell, it's getting late in the afternoon. The sun's probably like right there. We're gonna jump to the front and get that done as fast as I can. It's the same process for the front as it was the rear. Knock the rotor off, put the caliper on, put the line on. I'm gonna assume the rotors are stuck, and I'm gonna assume the line is stuck as well on the front. And yeah. As predicted, those things are frozen on there. God. Wow. Okay, so that took quite a while to get those off. As you saw, both sides are incredibly rusty. I'm gonna take those dust shields off, clean those up, spray them black, and I am going to scrub that rust off with a wire brush. I'm not gonna show you that because I show you cleaning all the time, but let's jump ahead and yeah. All right, that'll do it. I literally ran out of daylight. If it's echoey, I apologize. I had to close the garage door. But what a day. We got the rear entirely done. Rotors, calipers, lines, everything's on. We got the front almost done. I got the rotors on and all that rust cleaned off. The passenger side was so bad. I was taking a screwdriver and like pounding it off, and it was coming off in big flakes. I don't know what was up with that side, but it was way worse than the driver's side, which sparked in my mind that whenever I change the suspension and the end links and all this stuff coming up soon, I'm thinking about pulling those hubs and stuff off and having them sent somewhere to like get cleaned up and stuff, because they're pretty bad. I scrubbed them with a brush. I'll show you in the next video if I don't add it into this one. I got them as clean as I could. They look 1,000 times better, but they can still look a little bit better than that. So I may send those off. It depends. But thanks for watching. I hope you found this helpful. If you have any questions, leave them down below and I'll try to answer them as best I can. And next time we will finish the front, we'll get the lines on, and we should be rolling after that. We should be able to get the brakes bled and get this car out of the garage. So yeah, can't wait for that. Thanks for watching again. I do appreciate it. Do all the other YouTube things down there. You guys know how it goes. And catch you next time. Bye!